One of the reasons why why home health agency companies fail when they're marketing their organization, when they're marketing their services to potential resources is that they have a lack of consistency in their follow-up. But eventually, it's not the fact that they have lack of consistency, it's the fact that they lack the real discipline to put themselves in a mindset of being able to follow up and consistently go ahead and speak to their potential referral sources. Discipline is not some concept for, just for people who work out great, who are fitness people. It's not just a discipline for police officers, discipline for martial artists. Look, discipline is part of our everyday lives. It means that you need to be able to exert yourself, you need to motivate yourself to have control over just the random items that occurs on a day-to-day basis. You would need to be able to create a discipline. You need to discipline yourself to continuously strive for perfection. You need to continuously discipline yourself on following up. That is what a great home health marketer does. That is what a great manager continuously do. We need to continuously discipline ourselves to go out there and follow up continuously. Your process of making your phone calls, reaching out to new referral sources, handling correctly your presentations, and continuously following up with people, these are things that merely become part of your existence as a home health marketer. When you learn the craft, when you train yourself, when you grow yourself by making sure you educate yourself, educate your staff, your fears are the ones that causes you from consistently creating discipline. And you need to go past those fears and make sure that you continuously go out there and become successful. Look, what is your motivation? Why do you want to make sure that you keep on getting referrals? You need to be able to have clarity on what is going to motivate you to make sure you have the discipline to consistently follow up with people. In the industry that we're in the home health industry that we are competing against other people. And also, we are also facing a lot of new regulations, and we need to consistently and discipline ourselves to learn everything that we know about our industry. The person that is going to be knowledgeable and knows everything and knows more than the competition and discipline themselves to train, to practice, to drill and rehearse and know what they are going to be facing will succeed ultimately. Look, the people out there that are succeeding are the larger companies because they're disciplined enough to bring in the right people, to bring in the people together to create a great organization. But also understand that there are smaller companies like yours that if you create discipline, if you create a motivation, the same objective of success, you will be able to create a company that is going to be like the bigger companies. Take control each day and do what is needed. Create a checklist for yourself, for your staff, for your company. Make sure you reach and exceed those target areas. You want to be able to create goals. Look, on a daily basis as a marketer, you need to be able to make sure that you call at least 20 people. You need to make sure that you visit 8 to 10 locations. You can make phone calls in between meetings, in between cold walk-ins to facilities. These are things that you can do. On your lunchtime, you can go ahead and email people for following up. You need to be able to bring in softwares that are going to be able to make your lives easier. Use CRMs. There are cheap CRM systems out there. There's a couple companies out there, like, for example, Playmaker CRM. They're an expensive company, but they are good at what they do. Now, if you want to save some money, there's other CRMs out there like Salesforce or Nutshell that's going to ultimately be able to help your organization be successful and stand away from the other people. Look, you need to be able to call 20 to 25 people. You need to be able to see 8 to 10 new referral sources. You need to be able to visit your previous referral sources or your current referral sources as well. Look, at the same time as your business card, right? How many business cards do you hand out in a yearly basis? I walk in and I ask a director of nursing, do you have any business cards? And they say yes. Where are they? They open up their desk, they bring out this box, and it's 1,000 business cards that they've created or they had made, and yet about 900 of them are still there, and they got it like a year ago. The real business cards are needed to be given away. You need to be able to give away, hand out more than 2,000 business cards on a yearly basis, minimum. Okay? You need to spread the word about your organization. You need to be able to demonstrate your product to people. You need to be able to close deals all the time and close the referrals. Get those referrals from these people. Look, you need to put yourself out there. You need to make sure that you're consistently out there showing yourself and get people to start knowing about your company. It's your duty. It's your responsibility for success. You need to be able to know to consistently use every single weapon that you have to market your company. You need to be able to know what weapons to use and know how to use them. Look, your business card is your primary weapon. Yet, majority of people in our industry don't even carry their business card with them. You need to have every single tool and consistently use it to be able to know if it is working or not. You need to be able to assess and look into everything that you do and to see that there is a return on investment. There is no sense on starting something and giving up the moment that you get a negative review or an objection from it within less than a week. Look, you need to be able to be out there to consistently market your company. If you don't have consistency, if you don't have the discipline to actually go out there and market your company, you will not have or be able to feel the success that you can and you deserve. Look, we want you to be out there. We want to give you guys all the tools, all the weapons, and at the same time is motivate you to create discipline to know that you deserve more than what is in front of you. If you actually apply things and actually use the products, use the things that we provide you, marketing is not that hard if you know what you're doing, and at the same time is if you prepare yourself, you train yourself. I want you guys to create discipline out there because I see people that can be successful. There are a lot of patients out there that are not even getting the care that they deserve and that they need because physicians are not educated enough on how, home health services, home care, non-medical services can and help their patients. Look, we need to be out there educating them. We need to be out there disciplining ourselves and disciplining other people for them to know what is out there to care for the patients. I want you to do this on a consistent basis. And if you need help for us to be able to be your coach and guide you on how to be consistent and disciplined to get more referrals, give us a call right now here at Home Health Success Academy. I just want to say congratulations again. Look, keep up the great work, but still be consistent at making and using and doing the great work that you have in front of you. Give us a call right now. Watch our videos. Go ahead and connect with us. Connect with the people that we know. Connect with the companies out there that can actually guide you to get more referrals. Companies that can help you and point you towards the right direction of success. Create that discipline, create that consistency, and be successful.